Good morning and welcome back to the farm. It's a snowy day here on the farm today. We got some snow and we have more coming tonight, possibly up to about another 6 inches. We just got 3 or 4 inches last night, so I'm cleaning up. I already fed the animals, but I'm now giving the goats water, and then we are going to get the wood stacked up so we're prepared for the big storm coming tonight. Come along. Thirsty girls. Luna's been drinking a ton of water. We're entering the last 2 months of her pregnancy. I think she's gonna kid early March. I think it's gonna be fairly early March. Part of me wouldn't be shocked if she kidded the end of February. So I'm preparing us for that. But yeah, obviously still drinking a ton as we get very close to when kidding season's going to happen. Good morning. It's the next morning. We got another 3 inches on top of the 4 inches that we got the night before last. So 2 separate storms, 2 nights in a row. And now we have 7 inches of snow on the ground again. Hi, ladies. Hungry? Yeah? And I'm so glad that I lugged the water up yesterday when I did, because it would not be fun getting up this hill with this super soft snow. Fluffy, soft, and slippery. Pulling the water up here would not be fun today.